Hi, good morning everybody. Stevie here from Never Too Late to Travel. This morning at Bangkok Railway Station, commonly known as Hua Lampong. And for those people that actually watch videos about Thailand or watch Thai news, this station will be closing in a matter of just a few weeks. In fact, it could be days now. So I've come across to have a last look at Hua Lamphong because everything has moved across to the new large railway hub at Bangkok, and that will be the main travelling point for rail services in Thailand. Just having a look outside the station, very quiet. Even a lot of the tuk-tuks have actually moved on. And just moving into the station here, quite a few of the businesses have already closed. So let's take a walk around the station and see what's actually happening. And then from here we'll move on to Bangkok, and we'll see what facilities they have all up there. Should be interesting to see. So let's get going, not waste any time, and I'll take you for a walk around the station to see it as it currently is, maybe for the very last time. We have the main station concourse, and on the right hand side down the bottom above the big screen, that is normally the train information office and the entrance to the trains and the boards. There are a few trains still leaving here, mainly to the south. So the trains going there to Hat Yai Junction and Cabinbury and a few other places. But obviously they're all starting to wind down now. As for services here, Amazon is currently still open, but that is about the only one. Food courts have closed, and for those who have travelled Hua Lampong or Bangkok Railway Station in the past, the large Tiffy Mart, which was a very popular supermarket, that has also closed. Black Canyon Coffee up there, I think is Black Canyon Coffee. It has all the umbrellas saying it is, but it could be something adopted by the Thais. Appears still to be open. So we're going to have a walk now onto the station platforms, have a look around and see what activity is and see what's open and closed, and then from there we'll move on to Bangkok. This will probably be my last view of the signage at Bangkok Railway Station, Hua Lampong. And as you can see, there is not much activity, not many passengers going for their trains. But as I said previously, there are a few trains in the platform going to various places, but mainly down to the south of Thailand. Train there leaving for Tapan Hin. Is about to leave. view in front was the old exit route, but now everything's diverted round by the side. It's going to be a real shame to see this station go, because it has such a history, and I'm sure that many tourists from all over the world have actually passed through here, and it will bring back some nostalgic memories, no doubt about it. Let's hope that it doesn't get turned into a shopping mall, and that is turned into something that preserves its heritage. That would be absolutely fantastic. This is the State Railway of Thailand's offices on my right, and a lot of these small offices and facilities are still open at the moment, but presumably they'll soon be moving across to Bangkok. Obviously, with trains still leaving here down to the far south of Thailand, there's still a requirement to change the bedding for the sleeper compartments, so there's still a need for the facility still to be here. But for how long that is, I have no idea. Parcels still leaving here. Very old building with lots of history. Just sad to see it go. Quite a few businesses here still have their offices. The bedding department still working for now. So sadly, this is my last look at Hua Lampong station, or Bangkok station, whatever you want to call it, as it is, and still working, although on very limited services. So we'll head off across to Bangkok, which is the largest railway hub, I believe, now in Asia. And it will have connecting services both to Laos and eventually all the way to China. I'll be interested to find out what facilities they've got across there compared to what they had at Hua Lampong, and I hope you'll find it as interesting as I hope to do. So goodbye to Hua Lampong. I've had many interesting journeys from here, and I just hope that they do preserve you, and you'll still be around in the future. Previously I was at Hua Lamphong Railway Station, or Bangkok Railway Station, whichever you would like to call it. And I've moved down here to Bangkok Junction, and Bangkok Junction and Bangkok Old Railway Station, which is next to the new Bangkok main Asia hub. So I thought we'll have a walk through here, because it's a bit of a nostalgic area of Bangkok regarding rail travel. And I thought I'd just have a walk through before we actually go to Bangkok Grand Station, and see if there's been any changes. And just having a quick walk through 5 minutes ago, it seems that the place is very, very busy. Still lots of little restaurants at the side of the track, and everything seems to be pretty much normal. I don't really know what is going to happen to this line that actually goes through Bangsu Old Station. Whether the trains are actually going to be rerouted away and this is going to be redundant, I couldn't actually tell you. But anyway, let's have a walk through and see if we can find out anything interesting, and we'll take it from there. Across the road there is the Bangsu Grand Station, which is probably Asia's largest railway hub now, and eventually there's going to be trains going from here not only all over Thailand but to Laos and also to China. So that will make train travel very, very interesting in the future if you just jump on a night sleeper and travel through some exciting countryside. I don't know how long it's going to take to be all up and running, but a lot of the service are actually leaving through here now already. But as far as I know, nothing's going to Laos and to China. So here we are, Bangsu Junction, and we're going to have a walk through now to Bangsu Old Station, and then we'll go into Bangsu Grand Station and see what facilities they have to offer. Very, very busy this morning. Ticket and parcels office still open, very, very much active, and many people around. So we'll have a walk through, and we'll pick up the video when we are actually arrived in Bangsu Grand Station. Still a lot of vendors at the end here of platform 1. Good to see that business is thriving in a few places in Thailand. Let's hope that in the future it picks up and more tourists come back here. And, here we have the first main view of Bangsu Grand Station. We're going to take the walkway across the tracks, and we're going to go and have a look and see what facilities they have. As you can see, large wide area for people to drop off passengers. Reasonably busy this morning, but not too much. I don't know the way in, so it's going to be maybe a bit of a struggle to find our way for the first time, but nothing ventured, nothing gained, so let's get going. So this looks like the entrance into the Grand Station, so we're going to have a walk through there and try and find our way through this maze. Just give you a quick panoramic view of what's inside. Very, very large area. This ahead of us is the MRTA Blue Line connection. And ahead of us here is the commuter train. And although the stairway is not open, this is the platforms 1 and 2 for the long distance train. whether that's referring to trains that go down to the south of Thailand, for example, or up to Chiang Mai, or whether it's to China or Laos, I have no idea. Platform 3 and 4 there, going to Bang Sue and Rang Sit, and ticket office there in the corner. Do have ticket machines there, but I don't think they're actually working at the moment. I could be wrong. I think you'll appreciate it is an exceptionally large area, and I would imagine very easy to lose your way if you're, especially if you're in a hurry. An example of a route map. This is for the red line, Bang Sue Grand Station through Chachijak going up to Rang Sit, from Bang Sue Grand Station to Tailing Chan. So far, very disappointing to not see any restaurant or snack facilities for any passengers. Maybe they're around the other side. We'll go and have a look. Well, I did see a few food vending machines, but they're on the side of where they're having the vaccinations, and we can't actually get through to see what they are. But so far, I don't see where anybody would go and get food and drink. Well, there we have the Bang Sue Grand Station Entertainment. Well, to be very honest, it's more interesting the other side of the train tracks in the old Bang Sue station. So that's where we're going to head now. As usual, thanks very much for joining me. I hope you found it as disappointing as I did, to be honest. But there you are. You go out with the best intentions of finding something interesting, and everything falls flat. Never mind, have a great day, my friends, and hopefully I'll catch you on a better one with a little bit more interesting content. Have a great day, take care, bye bye.